Today I explain the topics of plant. Plant is very important for the atmosphere, for the environment. That's why I explain today for the plants. Plants origin from the seed. Seed is very important, play the role for the life of plant. Seed contain the baby plants, that is embryo. Embryo rising the fruit and shoot. First arising the root. Root is very important for the plant because root absorb the minerals from the soil, waters, minerals. It is also very important for the growth of plant. That's why I explain now the seed. Seed contain the embryo. Embryo is a plants, baby plants. It contain leaves, roots, as such types of the elements contained into the seed. Seed is covered with the coat. Seed coat is very important because the protections of the cotyledons. Cotyledon, what is cotyledon? Cotyledon क्या होता है? Cotyledon is protect the root and shoots, provide the food. Cotyledon is very important, play the role for the seed when embryo growth with the help of the food. Food supply by the cotyledons. Seed is two types. One type is the monocotyledons and other types is the dicotyledons. First we discuss on the only the seed. Seed prove the growth of the plants. Seed contain the cotyledons and cotyledons is provide the food when baby plants rising in the soils. That is very important topics. The seed is very important role play for the lives of the plants. When seed grows into the soil, that soil minerals and water supply to the seed. Whenever the favorable condition, such types of the water, minerals and the heat, sunlight as likes the favorable conditions, wherever availability for such types of the condition, that is called the favorable condition. And favorable conditions wherever may be present, their seed growth. Seed growth means the root and shoot out of the seed and seed coat cut with the help of the water, because soil of the seed and the seed when soil the seed coat is break, and that's why the plant is slowly growth. This is main important role for the seed. Today we explain on the seed topics, and that's why the very small questions in asked on the NEET examinations in the 12th class board examination. Which types of the questions asked into the NEET examination? That is, which parts of the seed or which part of the flower form the seed, or which part of the flower form the fruits, or which part of the flower is very important for the fruit. The ovule form the seed and ovaries form the fruit. Which part is important? Both the parts is very important for the plants. Without seed, without ovules, without ovary, no growth of the fruit. That's why the fertilizations topics is very important. You focus on that points. The pollinations is very important for the flowers. The flowers each play the role for the pollinations. That the next topics of it. The ovary form the fruit, and ovules form the seed. Seed contain into the fruit, and fruit is develop or growth. It is form of ovary. Ovary is the enlarged part of the carpet. That is seed is contained into the ovary. Pollen grain, pollination, all of these topics is important for the fertilization. But seed, the ovules form the seed, and ovules continue into the ovary. Ovary is the female reproductive system that is very important for the reproductive system into the plants. Now, this is the main topics for the NEET examinations also. The ovules form the seed and ovaries form the fruit. Which part of the form the fruit and which part of the seed form the seed? These two questions form from these topics. It is very important. That's why all of the students give the focus on the fertilizations of the plants. Okay.